YouTube, what's going on? I appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. What's going on? Let's see what's going on. See if some people come in here. But yeah, this is a video on installing this Appway truck system. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this line right here. You know, you just cut it and you splice it in there like that. And we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. I got my big scissors here. Let me see. Anybody coming in here? It's got one person coming in here. Trying to figure out how to do this. I can't believe this, y'all. My scissors broke. I can't believe this. These some cheap scissors. Y'all see this? These scissors broke. My bad, y'all. Just use a box cutter. No, you gotta have a smooth cut. You don't want to use no box cutter. Hold on, y'all. I can't believe this. I'm in the middle of doing a video. And my scissors broke. So I'm gonna just use a zip tie and tie this round here. Yeah, my snip's at home, man. These are the tools I got right here for the truck. These are tools I got. Oh, I can't believe this, y'all. I'm in the middle of doing the video. All right. Hopefully that'll hold that. All right. Back to work. Get this blue airline here. There it is. I cut it. So you get this. So you get this. It's a coupling. This is a 3/8 DOT rated coupling. Go ahead and splice it in there. Can y'all see it? Okay. All right. All right. So that's on there. Y'all see it? Nah, I don't got time to go to Harbor Freight. It's all right. I got it to work. See that? I just put a zip tie. See it broke right there. See there, it broke for some reason. And these are good brand name scissors. I don't know how much I paid for these scissors, but they're expensive. These are these supposed to be like industrial grade scissors. These cheap things. But yeah, we can get through this job. But we got it. We got that part on there. So I'm gonna hook. Here's the sensor. All right, here's the sensor right here. Appway. They give you two types of couplings. This is a 1/4-inch coupling, and this is a 3/8. But I have 3/8 airlines on the truck, so that's the kind that I take. I guess if you was riding in like a box truck or something like that, smaller trucks, they use smaller lines, but in this case I got 3/8. So what I'm gonna do, I already tightened this up right here, and I already tightened this sensor onto this little coupling or whatever, and I'm gonna tighten this screw right here back down on this so it don't come loose, because you know with a truck it vibrates. Trucks vibrate down the road, so I don't want to ever. These damn things expensive, $150 a piece. I don't want them to come apart. Be riding down the road, $150. All right, so I'm gonna back this down on here a little bit. I'm gonna back it on here a little bit. All right, I don't want to tighten it too much because this is plastic, but I think I got it tight, pretty tight. So all we got to do is push this down in here. And there it is. It's installed. You see it? There it is. That's the Aptway system. Put a couple zip ties on it so it don't bounce around. I think I should just leave it like that. I think I should leave it like that. We'll see. I keep an eye on it because I don't know if it's gonna stay like that. But yeah, y'all, we getting it installed. We getting it installed. All right, y'all, let's go back here and work on this trailer. Work on this trailer. Let me see what y'all talking about. What up, Fofo? Rashad, what's going on? You need some snips. Oh, box cutter? Yeah. All right. So we got the drive tires done. This is an easy install, y'all. This is easy. Can't get no easier than this. All right, y'all, let's go back here and get up under the trailer. I'm trying to decide whether I want to put them up front or put them right here. You left me a message? Yeah, I appreciate it. Hold on, y'all. I got to get my tripod together here. All right, let's get up under this trailer. All right, I'm trying to decide whether I should put them. I'm trying to decide whether I should put it right here, splice this airline, or strike the airline in the back. I think I'm gonna do it in the back because that one much easier. Oh, see, this one is way easier. Let me get y'all up under here. Put y'all right there. See that? See, that one's easier. This one's way easier. I think I'm gonna do it right here. So where we at right now, I'm on the second axle. So this is where we at. See, I'm on the second axle. This is the real airbag, and then there's an airbag up front. You can see it way up there. I gotta figure out how to dump the air in this on this trailer. There should be an air valve up here somewhere. Hold on. I think I could probably take this loose and adjust this air valve right here, and it should dump the air out of the trailer. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Wait a minute. I don't feel like climbing all the way up under there because the air tank has got a pit cock on it. See it? Well, you can't. The air tank right there has got a pit cock on it, and I can dump the air out of the trailer by doing that. Or I could just cut the airline back here, but the air is gonna shoot out. It's just gonna make a lot of noise. Let's see. I think I'm gonna take that boulder loose and dump the air out like that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this bolt off, and this valve right here lets the air in and out of the trailer. So I think I'm gonna do that. That's easy. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. YouTube, what's going on? Appreciate y'all watching videos. All right, I had a phone call, and I'm back. That's how it is when you're doing live videos. So I let all the air out of the system. I just unbolted this screw right here and dropped the air out of the tank. So this is the air valve. So that's how the trailer adjusts itself. So since there's no air in the system, we can work on it. We can work on it. So I'm gonna hook it up right there. All right. Pull this back. Cut the airline. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me. No going back. Once you cut it, there's no going back. Oh, let's see. Anybody on here? Ooh, y'all looking up my nose. All right, so here's the dongle. All right, I already paired it to my tablet. I'm gonna get it here in a little while, and we're gonna hook it up. Oh boy, it's a weird location. Try to put it up, facing up, so I don't want no rocks to hit it. All right. The Appway system is installed on the trailer. It turned out pretty good, don't it? Let me see. Ain't nobody come in here yet. Hold on. All right. So I'm under the trailer, and we got the system installed. Oh boy. Let me see. Gotta get y'all a good angle here. Oh yeah, that's good right there. This how it is when you got your own authority. Trying to make sure this thing in here all the way. I think that'll stay there like that. Hopefully no rocks or nothing to jump up and hit it. I want to put a zip tie on it. Yeah, I'm just putting this rubber on here to protect the airline. Just a little bit of protection, you know? Just a little bit of protection. All right. See there? It look professional, don't it? Let me see what y'all talking about. Am I good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm installing this scaling system on the truck. On the trailer. Hopefully the signal can reach all the way up front. I'm gonna have to bring the tablet out to make sure to wait so it can reach, the signal can reach all the way up front. Woo! It's a lot of work, man. It's an easy job, easy install. All right, so now I have to reconnect this air valve right here. I'm gonna air up the system and check for leaks. That's what the directions say. Already paired the dongles to my tablet up in the truck. So I'm gonna put this screw back on, and then I'm gonna air the system back up and calibrate calibrate the system. You gotta be careful with this air valve because you can put too much air in the system, and your truck will be riding, your trailer will be riding high, going down the road. You hear that? You gotta be careful. It's kind of cool. It's like the trailer got hydraulics. Okay. So we got the screw back on there. All right. I can't wait to pick up a load with it. I can't wait to pick up a load. Put the screw back on here. I can't wait to go pick up a load. Oh boy. Let me see what y'all talking about. What's the system for? It's so you can scale your load without going to its cat scale. Look it up. The system is called AppWeight. You download the app on your phone or your tablet. Oh yeah, I save a lot of money. I work on all my stuff. Save a whole lot of money. But anyway, you download the AppWeight app on your phone or your tablet, and then you pair these little dongles right here. You pair this one. You connect it into the airbags of your trailer and your truck. Your truck and trailer got to have airbags for it to work. So what this does, it reads the pressure in the airlines when you're loaded when your trailer is loaded down with a load, and it's going to measure how much pressure as pounds on the app on your phone or tablet. So you put one on the trailer and you put one on your truck. So when you load it, it'll give you a weight. It's on the website, they say it's accurate within 200 pounds. That's pretty good. So for each dongle, it's $150. If you got a truck and trailer, you got to get two. One for the trailer, one for the truck. And then whatever the difference is between the two, it's going to give you your steer weight. I mean, as long as you're under 12,500 pounds, you'll be all right. You will be all right. I got to take a bath after this. Oh boy. All right, we got that back on. So we got the system all aired back up, and we should be ready to go. I can't wait to pick up a load, man. Shoot, I can't wait to go pick up a load. I got all my tools out here. This is what the packaging looked like. AppWeight. hopefully the thing work. I'm trying for a heavy load. Well, my load that's picking up on Monday is 30,000 pounds. So we'll see. We will see. A decent test, yeah. 30,000 pounds. £30,000. Make sure I got all my tools there. Oh man. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We about to go up to the truck, and I'm gonna show y'all and see if the system actually works. You too. All right. So here go the one on the truck. We got the system. We got the airbags, air back up. I don't hear no air. It's holding out. I think we did a good job, y'all. I think we did a good job. I don't hear no air coming out the system. I think we did a good job. Oh, all right. I'm back in the truck. So here go the app right there. This is the app. It's showing 0 now. It ain't no weight in the trailer. So it ain't no weight in the trailer. So we'll see, man. I'll do another video once I'm loaded. And see if it really show the weight. All right, let me back up under this trailer. You know, I should grease the fifth wheel while I got the trailer dropped. I should go ahead and grease the fifth wheel. All right. It's probably too far. It's not picking up that trailer sensor. Okay, it's working. All right, y'all, it's working. The sensor, is so far back, it's having a hard time picking the signal up, but it's working. See there? It says last time contacted 255. See, it's 255. But it looked like it's working good. Let me see here. Calibrate. Empty. Okay. Okay, steer 00. I think it's working, y'all. So we'll see. Once I get loaded tomorrow, we're gonna see. We sure gonna see. See the dongle right there? I like the position it's in. It's hidden. You don't have to worry about no dirt hitting it, because the frame of the truck shielding it. Yeah, see there? See it right there? I think I did a good job, y'all. I did a good job. I did a good job. Yeah, this trailer looks good, y'all. I got my vents on here. I was gonna do a video about putting the vents on. I got my trailer empty. I'm going to pick up a load on Monday. Everything looked good. Try Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, line of sight, so the signal will be poor with Bluetooth. It's all good, man. Mess around with the configuration. It should come online with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Yeah, probably what I'm gonna have to do is get some airline. What I'm gonna do is get some airline and run the dongle. I'm gonna run the dongle probably like, let me see. I'm gonna try to get some airline tubing, and probably run the dongle probably like right here or something. Have the airline come right here and put the dongle like right up here, something like that. So that'll get it closer to the front. But I'll do that later. But we got it on there. We got it on there. That's all that matters. We got it on there though. But I got the Appway system. I got the Appway system installed on the truck and trailer. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. I'll see y'all next time. If y'all want to purchase the Appway system, you can purchase it. It's $150 for each tandem setup. So if you own your own truck and trailer and you're looking for a solution to weigh your truck, I got a link down in the description. And I appreciate it if y'all use that link. You can go ahead and purchase the Appway system, and you can purchase the Appway system, and I'll get a little kickback from it, maybe like $5 or something like that. So, try to make a couple dollars, y'all watch Trucker Brown? Any of y'all watch Trucker Brown? He's funny. Couple dollars. We just trying to make a couple dollars. Just trying to make a couple dollars. So if you're looking for a scale solution for your truck, try this Appway solution. We installed it. It's easy to install. Works pretty good. So once I get loaded on Monday, and then I'll see how it works. So you pretty much got to buy two for a truck and trailer setup. One for the trailer, one for your drives on your truck. And you could get three of them if you got air ride on your steer tires, but most trucks out here don't have air ride on your steer tires. Air ride on the steers is mostly for like heavy haulers and car haulers. Them car hauling trucks, they usually got air ride on the steer tires, on the steer axle. But most freight liners and dry van reefer haulers, they most guys, they have spring ride on your steer tires. So you only gonna need two. You got air ride on your truck and trailer, you just need two. $150 a piece. You're looking at $300. It's a business expense, so if you own your own truck and trailers, it's just $300. You're gonna save so much money. You got a Volvo 780? What about it? Do they charge a monthly fee? No, they don't charge no monthly fee, man. You just pay the $300 for the device, and that's it. Ain't no monthly fee. I wish it was a monthly fee. I wouldn't buy it. I send it right back to them. 404 cat. Why share your personal life to the world, bro? I don't know, man. I was just having a bad day. How much that costs and what website it's on. I just told you. Go on Amazon.com. I got a link down in the description. You click on that link, I get a couple dollars if you buy it with that link. I get a couple dollars from Amazon. So I appreciate if you use that link down in the description. You buy a Peak Jet. Man, I ain't buying no Peak. I'm trying to pay this Freightliner off. Ain't buying no P. I'm trying to get out of debt. You talking about getting further in debt. Babe, I got to get out of here, man. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. I'll see y'all next time.